welcome back to Ichikraft video channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Ichikraft, one of Ichikraft flowers. This is our new design. Yeah, you can see. And this is fruit. Alright, let's get started. What you need here, you need two color double face satin ribbon. This one I call dusty rose, pink dusty rose, and then green, or you call willow. This one, you need one green satin ribbon. The size is about 5 centimeters. Alright, you need 4 centimeters, 8 pieces. This one, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Each one, the size is 4 centimeters, and then you need 3.5 centimeters, 8 pieces. Yeah, 8 pieces. This is 5 and this is 3 pieces, but both of them, the size is about 3.5 centimeters, and this is both of them. This is 5 pieces and this is 3 pieces. Both of them, this one and this one, this one, both of them. The size is same, 4 centimeters. And you need one green satin ribbon. The size is about 5 centimeters. Cut the green satin ribbon like this. You can see. Cut the pink satin ribbon like this. Yeah, all of the pink satin ribbon cut into the same shape. Yeah, all of them. Why I divide into two? This one 5 pieces, and then 3 pieces, and then 5 pieces, and then 3 pieces. I will explain later. The leaves, you can see the details. And then this is the petals. The petals. This is 3.5 centimeters, 5 pieces. Shape them like this. Yeah. Some. This one 3.5 centimeters, and then we have 3.5 centimeters. But the shape is opposite. You can see the differences between two. This is 5 pieces. You need to shape them like this. And then this one 3.5 centimeters, 3 pieces. You need to shape them opposite. You can see the differences between these two petals. Yeah. Here 5 pieces, and then this one 3 pieces. Also the same. This is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. 5 pieces. You need to shape them, the petals like this. This is 4 centimeters, 5 petals. You need to shape them just like these petals. And then 3 others. This is the same size, 4 centimeters, but you need to shape them, 3 of them like this. The opposite, you can see the differences between two. They are opposite. This one, yeah, this is 3 petals. You need this one 5 petals. I will write it on my blog later, so you will find out. First step, you need to join 3 petals. 3 petals. The size of the petals is about 3.5 centimeters. Yeah, join 3 of them. First step, you need to join 3 petals. 3 petals. These petals, the size is about 3.5. Yeah, this one. And then next step, join the others. Join 5 petals here, 5 petals here. Yeah, 5 petals, join them. Next, join 3 petals. Their size is about 4 centimeters. The last one, join 5 petals. Join 5 petals. Cut the file. The size is about 2 centimeters. Diameter here 2 centimeters. The pin size here is about 3 centimeters, but you can use 2.5 centimeters. Handmade label. Now Ichikraft flower brooch is ready. The color is dusty rose. You can visit my Etsy shop if you want to know more about this item. And thank you so much for watching our video. Please give us thumbs up if you like this video and definitely subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.